Is your website stressing you out? You're not alone. So many entrepreneurs dive into building their website only to feel completely overwhelmed by tech, design, content, and a million decisions they didn't expect to be making. But here's the thing, your website should be a tool that supports your business, not something that drains your energy. So today, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple steps to take the stress out of your website and make the process manageable so you can move forward with clarity and confidence. Hey there, I'm Malinda, your WP confidant. I know that building an online business comes with enough challenges. Your website shouldn't be one of them. My goal to make WordPress and online business feel easier. Not easy, but easier, stress free, and something you can actually feel confident about. Whether you're a purpose driven entrepreneur, a passionate creator, or just starting out to build your dream business, I'm here to guide you every step of the way. And today, we're tackling website overwhelm. Let's identify what's making this process feel frustrating and create a simple path forward. Ready? Let's dive in. So, step one, stop logging into your website until you do this first. I see this mistake all the time. Entrepreneurs sit down to work on their website, immediately log into whatever platform it is they've decided to use, and start clicking around. And within minutes, they're completely overwhelmed. That's because they're trying to figure out how the platform works while also trying to write website content at the exact same time. It's like trying to cook a meal in a brand new kitchen without knowing where anything is. So here's your first step. Before you even touch the back end of your website, plan your content first. What pages will your website need? What's the main message for each one of those pages? And what action do you want visitors to take? Having this mapped out will make everything easier when you start building. Step two, identify your biggest website stressor. Now that you're not diving into the tech just yet, let's talk about what's actually making your website feel overwhelming. So grab a notebook or open up your notes app and jot this down. What's the number one thing that stresses you out about your website? Is it design decisions, picking colors, fonts, and layouts? Or is it the tech setup, plugins, updates, and settings, and how to make it all work? Content overload, figuring out what should go where. Getting clear on what's stressing you out the most means you can focus on solving that instead of feeling like everything is a mess. Step three, break it down one section at a time. Now that you know what's overwhelming you, let's talk about how to simplify. I once worked with a client who was completely stuck on her website. She kept saying, "There's just too much to do. I don't even know where to start." So I told her, forget about the whole website. Let's just focus on the homepage. And suddenly, everything became manageable. She stopped stressing about the entire site and focusing on getting one page right. And once you did that, the rest of the site felt easier. That's what I want for you too. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, take one section at a time. Start with one page, your homepage, your about, or your services. Complete it before moving to the next page and celebrate the progress along the way. You don't have to build everything at once. Small steps lead to big results. Step four, start with the homepage for a quick win. The homepage is where most visitors will land, so it's the best place to start. 3 simple fixes for an effective homepage: clarify your message. Your headline should immediately tell visitors who you are and how you help them. Reduce the clutter, remove anything unnecessary, keep it clean and easy to navigate. And organize key sections. Make sure your homepage has a clear about section, who you are and why it matters, a services or offer section, what you do, and how people can work with you. And a really clear call to action. What is it that you want them to do when they land on that page? Even small changes here can make a huge difference in how your website feels and functions. Step 5, celebrate progress and keep moving forward. Now, I know you might be thinking, but my site isn't perfect yet. Let me remind you, it doesn't have to be perfect. What matters is progress. You're not going to launch your website and have a flood of 1,000 people show up. So take the pressure off. Even if all you've done today is written down your biggest website frustration, that's still a step forward. Take a second to acknowledge that. You're no longer stuck, you've got a plan, and you're moving forward. That's how you simplify everything, one small step at a time. Now, I know planning your website content can still feel overwhelming, and that's exactly why I created a toolkit for you, the Easy Website Content Planner. Instead of piecing everything together on your own, this planner walks you step by step through the process so that you can organize your content with clarity, structure your key pages effortlessly, and finally move forward with confidence. Imagine sitting down to work on your website and knowing exactly what to write, where to put it, and how to make it flow easily. No more guessing, no more overwhelm. So, if you're ready to stop delaying your dream website and start building one that actually works for your business, you can grab the planner at a link in the description below. And before you go, drop a comment below. What's been the biggest challenge in planning your website? I'd love to help. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. From me, Malinda, your WP confidant. If you're feeling a bit lighter already, that's the power of simplifying. But once your site is up, the next big question is, how do you make it feel like you? In my next video, I'll show you how to build a WordPress website without tech stress, even if you've never touched WordPress before. I promise it's beginner friendly and you can do this.